Hey, it's Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Atlas Crest Investment Corp. This stock was down almost 3%, down to $10.72. In the pre-market, it is up almost 1%, up to $10.81. Look over the past 6 months with Atlas, you see uh, stock wasn't doing much of anything. Then they announced their merger deal with Archer, and they've been moving down ever since, just because basically you've had a combination of small stocks getting hit, and also the SPAC stocks have been getting hit. We've been hearing a lot of negative things about SPACs, and Atlas Crest Investment is a SPAC, so it's going to get hit. So the question is, should you get into this company? Now, the company is merging with Archer, and Archer makes these, what they claim is the first vertical takeoff urban jet. So it's kind of a jet that's going to be used for urban transportation. Now, the only thing is, this is a very speculative stock because they don't have like a prototype really in production right now. This is a company, if you do invest in it, don't use a big part of your portfolio because it could crash and burn. They could run out of money. When you have a lot of these companies that are kind of working with prototypes, the big thing is runway, which is how much money do you have before you're out of business. And so this company's survival is going to be very dependent on how well their stock performs to make sure that they have enough money and they could get the loans that they need to build a prototype and get the get the legal clearance in order to have these vehicles in urban centers. So there's a lot of things that need to go right for this company in order for it to be a huge opportunity. That being said, if you are, if you are willing to essentially take a gamble with 1% of your portfolio, there is a potential here that when Archer does come public, if they're able to get a prototype up and able to get some approvals, I mean, just imagine how big a stock this could be if it's a company where you can, it would pretty much be the luxury transportation option of choice if you're in an urban area or in a mega city. So definitely check out Atlas Crest Investment. But like I said, probably a very speculative funds only if you want to get into the stock. Once again, Atlas Crest trades on the NYC on the symbol ACIC. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.